we have this tank, got a dent in it. Not really out anything, but I thought I'd try to get a dent out of it. I've got a big ass dent down here. So we're gonna put some water in it, pressurize it, put some heat to it, see what we can do. Less than 5 pounds. Had to stop and take a break and see about getting the fuel cap to seal up a little better. Pretty noticeably better. And really, I don't know. I was on the fence when I pulled it up here. I thought I'm just going to get another tank. But now I'm kind of like, man, I don't know. You'd really have to look to see these dents. But I think I can get these out even more. Get some more pressure in it, a little more heat. Go from there. Round 2 or 3. Just going to try to get that corner out just a little bit. Really, the way the tank's set on the truck, you won't ever see that per se, but it would really, really nice to get the rest of that out. So we'll see. Tank is completely full of water. You could do this with air pressure, but I happen to have this hydrostatic test pump for working on the boilers, so that's what I was using. But air would do the same thing. Just have it completely full. End result, is it perfect? No. Is it 85% better? Yes. I'm probably going to go ahead and use the tanks just because you really won't see this here. It's not like it's a show truck anyways, but I think the tanks will still polish out nice and all that.